In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on iPhone to download apps. First, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a gear. Tapping this icon takes you to a menu where you can adjust various settings for your device. This step is crucial because the Settings app is the central hub for all your device configurations. Everything you need to change country settings will begin here. Once you're in, you'll see various options for customizing your iPhone, from notifications to privacy settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you're not already comfortable here. Next, tap your name at the top of the settings menu. This will take you to your Apple ID settings where you'll see your account details. Your Apple ID is essential for accessing services like the App Store, iCloud, and more. By tapping on your name, you are ensuring that you are managing the correct account. This is important because you want to make changes to the account that is linked to the apps you wish to download. Once you tap your name, you will see options like iCloud, Media and Purchases, and Family Sharing, among others. From there, tap on Media and Purchases, followed by View Account. This will lead you to your account settings related to purchases and subscriptions. Here, you can manage your payment methods, subscriptions, and country settings. It's a vital step because this area contains all the information needed to make changes to your App Store country. If you are looking to download apps from a different region, accessing this specific area is necessary. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Now tap on Country/Region. This option allows you to start the process of changing your account's country settings. Once you tap here, you'll be presented with your current country settings and the option to change them. This step is important because it is the gateway to accessing apps available in other countries. You may see a list of countries and regions, or even a prompt to confirm your current settings. Next up, tap on Change Country or Region. This will allow you to select a new country from a list. When you tap this option, you will see various countries that you can choose from. Browse through the list and select the country you want. This is a significant step because it determines which apps you can access and download from the App Store. Once you select your desired country, you will notice changes to the available apps and content in the App Store. After selecting the country, review the terms and tap Agree. This step ensures that you understand and accept the new terms and conditions associated with your selected country. It's essential to read through these terms as they may differ from those in your previous location. By agreeing, you are confirming your commitment to the rules set forth by Apple for that specific region. This makes sure you are fully informed about any changes that may affect your account. Enter a payment method and billing address for the new country, then tap Next. Apple may require a valid payment method from that country to finalize the change. This is an important step because without a valid payment method, you cannot complete the process. Make sure the billing address matches the country you selected. This ensures that your account is set up correctly for transactions. You will see a confirmation on the screen once everything is entered correctly, providing reassurance that your changes are saved. Before changing your country, Apple requires that you meet a few conditions. Spend any remaining Apple account balance, cancel active subscriptions, and wait for them to expire. Finish any rentals, pre-orders, or pending refunds. Leave family sharing if necessary. These requirements are crucial because failing to meet them may prevent the country change. Apple has strict policies to ensure that account transitions are smooth and secure. Finally, if you cannot change your country, one of those requirements is usually the reason. Apple explains that family sharing memberships, active subscriptions, and account credit can block the change. Understanding this can help you troubleshoot your issue efficiently.